Yogo chia saboro kwa wale kirasi 10 mwana kirasi 12 gose form 3 na form 4 aho bakurwa cinta kabagosirwa nebengi ya Equity gwetera somoro bari wings to fly niko genda sirito kulia kabere ase skuru ya abamura ya Kisii kolengana nebengi ni gagote abuna nchira moyo kunyara korwa cinchera cyogo semya boroki wabo maiga yoko basira aso kolibi ya samate mwabo liko nyara kwegenda na masomo na kunyara kumaye cinchera cyobora yubuya uno muri kito Josephat Amisi agotumanya
Asili tukulia kabirerero imeye skuru ya Kisii High nigo abana gwetaniriwe yamone chiminye bagenda toko bakonyora magiryo ao igoro yoburai ise yebengi ya Equity ase omorobelio olia wings to fly.
We're on the second day of the mentorship program, which is focusing on the power of purpose, aligning value and leadership. So this year we were focusing on leadership, because we want our students to become leaders in this dynamic country in the years to come, and that's not far away. So that was the purpose today, tomorrow, and hopefully after this the students will go back.
Gukwana ase omuyego yo Jackton Onyango oyonyara kobaga wikirana libakalia elia Paul Mwangi niganyara kobaga koerera buna aso mwakoyo nigo ebengi yenyare kobaga kobeka bene amaigelio igoro yokoena na chimbwa chubura igo chia ase abana banyare kobaga konyeka nomorobelio yo wings to fly,
and partnering with the county education team and to make sure that we offer direct mentorship, some of them on one-on-one situations, so that we keep them grounded.
Nonye nabo omumanager bwe ebengi ya Equity orosagerwa Kisii Robinson Mirieri nigatabiro morobelio yo onyareko boko baletamo abana anene kurwa asorogongorwa South Nyanza gati yabo Nyamira na Kisii nabo igo chinsemo cha migori ase ekerenga gyokoena na chimbwa chingiya anene ase obutenere bwo bwima bwabo bwakira lituko
Tomia bali ese program eli yaito ya Wings to Fly na elimu scholarship yeto kora amone serikali ya Kenya. Abana tobwatega igarero bari libweyemo angena 400 bonds pibarwete chi county chiagaiga tobwate county ya Homa Bay, Migori, Nyamira na Kisii na bake bakurukuru Transmara. Aserero abatukaya todeto gosomia abana aba igoro y'ubugambi bobwata masikani na ende bobwate chimbu chingiya chiragera abana bekera bakorire skuru bache koba abana inchi abaya na ritoranyara korosia ense yaite chikoba bia igo asebo
nigo obotenere bwebengi ya Equity bwanyareko bokoherera anene omukia abana bwanyareko bagokora na kwenekia buna bwanyareko bagosoa ase college ne university imena isiko yense ya Kenya.
We have seen great success with over 82% transition from high school to university, and this keeps driving us to do more and more for the poor and needy children in our societies. Most of these children need constant and regular mentoring to keep them focused and to keep them in shape, because education is not enough.
Gati ya bali banyarako bagoikirana asomo yego yo nigo bagokera emerobelio yebengi ya Equity na boigo kugania abana banyarako bagokonyeka no morobelio yo banyarako bakobeka omokia ase chisemi chabo chia kiralituko.
We do one day stand here as a role model to the rest. I have the scholars who are now working at the Equity. Last year they were with you here, and now they are here. They are now your role model. Lastly, I'm leaving you by this one. Ask yourself, who am I? And finally say, yes, I can.
Kuripotiri kataseni Ndizi TV kule skuru ya bamura ya Kisii School. Yego toka ime county ya Kisii elitera